Hello, so this is Wen Yao Cheng demonstrating the CMS project. And so let's just fire it up in GServe. So I've finished building my documents. They're here. Let's just wait a little bit and it's compiling. Okay, so compiled successfully. So if we go to localhost, and as you can see, my startup page is the document, and all the messages are displayed correctly in context. And here, if we select one of the documents, we can see the detail comes up here, and then it changes according to which document we select. And the last part to show you is this user button that we can save data and fetch data. So yeah, that is my project. Thank you for watching.